taken and a goal scored. That's pretty goal. In the first period, always looking for that very first goal. Changes the complexion of the game. They got it.
I think
opportunity on that move. There's an oh, what a shot! Scores!
Well, is there anything Zach Parise can't do, Gary? What a shot. He picked his corner perfectly. That is precision.
Takes the shot, scores! Right when they needed it. We've got a tie game.
Oleszewski, to me, shoots with the precision of a surgeon. Man, is he accurate.
To Downey. Good pass off that wing, goes to Camilleri. Look at the move. Offense. He shoots, he scores! Camilleri's goal comes in that low slot area and a great wrist shot.
You got to have a setup guy, Gare, and this guy assisted perfectly.
The Flames lead at 1-0 as they get first blood.
First period, you always want to get way too tight. Somebody just plucks it once, it could snap. So these guys.
Shot scores! And that will give them the early lead. When you get down there in that low slot, you take what you get. He got a backhand and he gets a goal. You want to follow up with that early goal with another one, especially on home ice here, and really get this.